Hello artists, get those pencils ready. We're gonna learn how to draw a dachshund. Okay, so to start with, we are gonna make a great big head here and a body. So first what we're gonna do is create the top of the head, which is going to be kind of like a little M, but it's really flat. Then we're gonna have a little space here and we're gonna draw a line coming down like that, and then we're gonna draw another line coming down like that. Then kind of up here in the middle we're gonna draw a line across and then curve it around like that. Then from there, we're gonna take and hook that onto there, hook that onto there with some like J's, and then we have a little back lip right there, and we can put the nose holes in here for our super sniffer dog. Then we're gonna make some great big eyeballs. Okay. There we go. And dachshunds have very expressive eyebrows. And then we're gonna make this one have some super cute eyes. I'm gonna just color this in black around the little light parts of the eye. I have owned myself, I've had, let's see, 3 dachshund doggies. My oldest one, I had him for 18 years. He was a very old dog. Okay, so then we're gonna come up here and we're gonna make a little S, and then it's gonna come around and come down and come back up. Then we're gonna come up here and do kind of the same thing. And then come back up. Oh, look at that cute little face. Okay, now we're gonna put a little collar on it. So we're gonna go halfway, halfway, and then make a little rectangle and then go up the other half and put a little circle. And I'm gonna make a dog bone. So that's like some little C's with a straight line, or it looks like a number 3. And I'm gonna put a D on mine for my dachshund. His name was Duke. And then I also had another dachshund. His name was Jake. And he only lived to 7. He got some infection. It was very sad. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the body. So it's just gonna come down and curve around. And then we're gonna put the little back leg on here. So it's just gonna come down and come back up. And then we'll put some little paws on it. And then kind of underneath the ear here, we're gonna come down and do the front paw. And then give it a little hook out. And we'll do his little paws, or hers. Okay, then we're gonna continue back, and it's gonna kind of come up diagonally like that. And then we're gonna start kind of up here, and we're gonna do the back leg. So it's gonna have a curved line coming down, and then it's gonna drop down and come back. And then we've got the little heel of it, and then it's gonna come back up and curve around, just like that. And there's the little hind leg. Then we can put the little marks on it. Now we're gonna do the back hind leg. So it's gonna come in and back out, like kind of like an arrow. It's gonna come down, back up, and around. And then we'll put the little leg, little things there. Little toes. Okay, then we're just gonna take here and we're just gonna draw a line that kind of gets right there with the hind leg. And there's our little Dachshund Weenie Dog. Oh, he's so cute. I've always had boy Weenie Dogs. I don't know why. And then we're gonna just put his little waggy tail here. There we go. And we'll put him on the ground. He's so cute. I love it. All right. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.